Okay. Hi, welcome to Qbic booth at ISE 2020. I would like to introduce our self-service kiosk KP-2700. It just won the IF Award 2020 this year. We designed this product with one glass service. So you can see it's very beautiful design and very thinner. And we design it with three types of installations. It can you can install it on the wall mount, desktop, and the stand alone. And we designed the modularized inside these devices, so the end user can swap the devices with their preference. So it's very easy for maintenance and to integrate, to implement with in the retail market. If you want to get more information about this product, please visit Qbic booth at ISE 2020. If you don't have time, please visit our website for more detail, www.qbictechnology.com. Thanks.